Kingston man charged after allegedly losing gunfight with cops. A farmer found dead in St. Mary. Speculation high that pigs attacked him. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 33-year-old Nigel Ray, a technician of St. Patrick Road, Rockford, Kingston 2, has been charged with assault at common law and unauthorized possession of prohibited weapon and ammunition following an incident in his community on Saturday, January 28. Reports from the Elliston Road Police are that about 1:50 a.m., law enforcers were on patrol in the area when a gray Subaru motorcar was seen parked along the roadway with Ray inside. He was instructed to exit the vehicle. He reportedly complied, but in the process opened gunfire at the police. The fire was returned and Ray was shot and injured. A 9mm pistol was reportedly seized. He was assisted to the hospital where he was admitted for treatment. On Thursday, February 23rd, he was charged by the police. A court date is being finalized. The St. Mary police have yet to determine the cause of the death of a farmer in Jacks River in the parish on Thursday. This amid speculation among residents that he was attacked by his pigs. The deceased is 58-year-old Radcliffe Murray of Jacks River in the parish. Reports are that about 7 a.m. on Thursday, a resident stumbled upon the body and summoned the police. On their arrival, the police found Murray's body lying on the ground. The police are awaiting the result of the post-mortem report to determine the cause of Murray's death.